What if I told you that you could skip over all of the manifesting fads and popular techniques and get straight to actually manifesting what you want using one specific manifestation shortcut? So not only is this possible, but I will show you the direct shortcut on how to do this and get exactly what you want faster and easier. This is truly the fastest way to see the results that you want, especially if you've been struggling. And this manifestation shortcut essentially bypasses whatever's blocking you and allows you to become a vibrational match and attract what you want without having to try so hard. Because often when you use this direct shortcut, all of the resistance and blocks that were standing in your way will become cleared automatically. So if you are ready to learn how to use this shortcut, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button below. It really lets me know that you're watching this and getting value from these free training videos that I share here on YouTube. So once you do that, let's get right into it. And really quickly, if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. My whole channel is all about manifesting, the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Now let's get into the shortcut and how it works, and I'm telling you, this will blow your mind. Because the only thing standing in your way right now is you. The only thing blocking you from your own abundance is yourself. Being completely honest, it took me years to truly understand and embody this and take ownership of it, but it really truly changes everything, as you'll see in just a minute. And I know that some of you may be sitting there rolling your eyes or completely rejecting this idea, especially when you feel like you're trying so hard all of the time. If you're doing all of the techniques, if you're doing all the work and not seeing results, I can understand how you're saying, how am I blocking myself? But hear me out. No matter how hard you are trying, if you aren't experiencing what you desire, there's actually some part of you that's standing in the way, and this might be on a subconscious level. So this shortcut that I'm about to show you essentially fixes all of that right away. It gets you unstuck. And this is how. Here is one of the most important things to first understand so you can shift this quickly. This is truly one of the biggest lessons that made all of the difference. Are you ready? What you want already exists, and therefore it's proof that you can have it. One of my absolute favorite affirmations that I've shared with members inside of Create is, why not me? Why not now? Of course I can have this. That's the mindset that you want to be. So if you're sitting there saying, well, not really, how can I become a millionaire? Or how can I get that house or that car or that job or that relationship or that specific outcome that I want? How could that happen for me? Well, if you're saying that, then notice right away that you are immediately blocked by your belief that it's not actually possible. In order to manifest anything and attract anything with ease, it first requires your belief that it's actually possible for you. If you don't believe it's possible, then it's not. It's really as simple as that. Your beliefs actually form your entire reality all around you. Do you understand how powerful this is? Whatever you believe is what you attract. I mean, really think about that. Anywhere that you feel stuck or anywhere where there's negative patterns, what do you believe about that? What beliefs formed this? What do you believe about money? What do you believe about relationships? What do you believe about your specific standards? What do you believe about literally every aspect of your life? Because whatever you believe will form the reality and circumstances that you're in. So take ownership of that, because that's extremely powerful. That is the universe in motion. You are only limited by what you believe is or isn't possible. That's it. End of story. And I know some people are still watching this saying, well, it's not that simple, but it really is. And I can only tell you that this will click for you when you really commit to it. When you really commit to believing that absolutely everything is possible, that every opportunity is available to you. When you believe that limits don't exist and that you are truly meant to have the things that you want, then and only then can it show up with ease and with the least resistance. The shortcut to manifesting quickly and easily is through examining and shifting your beliefs. After that, the rest really just starts to fall into place. It all sort of starts to become automatic when you truly start to shift your beliefs about what's actually possible. The blocks, the resistance, the patterns, the circumstances, they all shift by default when you change what you believe. If you believe money's hard, then that's going to be reflected back to you. If you believe money's easy, that's going to be reflected back to you. What you believe is what you attract. Really make it that simple for yourself. And here is what's even more mind-blowing. When you start to really look at and examine the areas that you feel stuck or the things that aren't manifesting or aren't working, look at your beliefs. But be really honest, be really clear about this. Look at this with a fine-tuned microscope. What were you taught? What were you told? What did you experience? What formed these beliefs that are keeping you stuck? Because that's all that's keeping you stuck is these beliefs. Like I said, it starts and ends with you. You have far more power than you think you do. Change what you believe, and everything will rearrange to reflect that new belief. And if this is really resonating with you and you want some really powerful tools that are in depth to help you shift these beliefs very quickly and amplify your results, I actually have an entire section inside of Create with several meditations, workbooks, training videos, mantras, all diving really deep into creating new beliefs that become kind of automatic. They turn your manifesting on autopilot when you have these really strong core beliefs. And if you aren't sure what Create is, I know that some people don't know what that is. It's actually an entire on-demand manifestation library filled with years worth of content. There's over 56 or 58 meditations that aren't here on YouTube. There's manifesting workbooks, training videos, mantras, affirmations, and a private mastermind group. And it's all designed and organized into very specific categories to get you the specific result you're looking for. You literally log in and click on the exact topic that you need, and you have tons of resources right at your fingertips to help you get that specific result. Plus, every single month, you also get a live Q&A with me, which is huge because my one-on-one coaching right now is booked out, I think through 2024, so like a year out. That was just the last time I checked. So if you want more info, I'm gonna leave a link up here and a link down below. And if money is something that you find that's really been blocking you, I have a free money mindset workbook that I'll leave down below. Tens of thousands of people have gone through this workbook with extremely transformational results. It's really gonna help you get clear on what your money beliefs are, how they were formed, and there's exercises to clear them as well. This is completely free. The link is in the description box below, so be sure to download your free copy now. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, be sure to leave me a comment below. I truly read through all of them and I really love hearing from you. And you can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.